to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's check the month ahead of June 2025 for Virgo. We'll pick three cards in the past, three cards in the present, and three cards in the future for relationships and career. So let's check for relationships first. So you've got the Fool. So in the past, a great enjoyment, a great joy, a new beginning, maybe a new relationship has started. Tower in the past, a stressful time, maybe with another relationship ending. And Seven of Pentacles in the past, a need to, grow, a need to grow. In the present, Queen of Wands. In the present, Lovers. So there's definitely love on the horizons. Definitely some singles can look forward to a new relationship, and if you are not single, there's definitely love in the relationship. Five of Pentacles, a little bit of loss, a little bit of stagnation as far as growth is concerned. In the future, Justice. So things need to be in balance. You need to balance things out. King of Swords, so a need to be practical as far as your relationship goes, and this person is possibly someone of great social standing or celebrity. So you're really living it up, really enjoying yourself. Let's see, in the past you've got the Fool, the Tower, and the Seven of Pentacles. So there's a certain tension as I can see, the Fool, the Tower, and the Seven of Pentacles. You're working hard at impressing this person, but it's not going anywhere. You all are just ending up having a good time. In the present, you've got Lovers, but there's a period of stagnation also at the same time, a period of not being heard enough. And in the future, you have Justice, King of Swords, and Six of Wands. So things are probably going to look better in the future. Let's see your outcome card. You have King of Cups, so you definitely feel very emotionally about this person. So a lot of love, a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings for this person. In the shadow, you have Eight of Pentacles. If you want to take this further, this relationship, you have to work hard at it, because this person definitely is a high priority person for you, so there's a need to work hard. Let's check for career. Let's check for career for Virgo for June 2025. Page of Cups in the past, Ten of Swords in the past, and the Nine of Cups in the past. You've got Eight of Wands in the present, Eight of Swords in the present, and the Seven of Pentacles in the present. You've got the Tower in the future, you've got Two of Cups in the future, and you have Fool in the future. And let's check the outcome card. You've got Queen of Wands. Okay, so let's analyze this. So Page of Cups, Ten of Swords, and Nine of Cups. So the thing is that the Page of Cups is looking away from a period of defeat. So despite facing some kind of stagnation, some kind of hitting hard of your soul, you are still socializing. So that means networking. So things are going to look good for you. In the present, you've got the Eight of Wands, the Eight of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles. So a little stressful time, but messages coming through for career. There's a need to work hard. You're looking back at the past with reminiscence. And in the future, you have the Tower, the Two of Cups, and the Fool. And this shows that there is some kind of soul searching despite the hard times. There's a lot of soul searching, and you'll find your answers, as the Queen of Wands in the outcome position shows. So you'll find your answers. So this was my reading for Virgo for June 2025. I know that you must have enjoyed this reading. Please leave your comments in the comment box. If you want a more personalized reading, you can get the details from my description box. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I really look forward to reading more for you. I look forward to interacting with you. Please leave me a comment on how you like this reading. Thank you very much.